What's the most magical day of the year?
Is it your birthday? Nope. Is it the first snow day? Not quite.
It's EID, the most joyful celebration where families come together, hearts fill with happiness, and the whole world seems to sparkle with love.
Let me tell you the story of how Layla and Omar celebrated their special Eid day.
The night before Eid, Layla could hardly sleep.
Tomorrow is Eid. Tomorrow is Eid. I can't wait.
Shh, Layla, you need to rest. Eid starts very early in the morning.
When the sun peeked through the window, Mama gently woke them up.
Wake up, my little stars. It's Eid morning. Time for a special bath and to get ready.
Layla and Omar put on their brand new clothes. Layla wore a beautiful sparkly dress, and Omar wore a crisp white thobe.
Look at me! I'm twirling!
And I look like Papa. So handsome.
Grandma smiled and gave them each a warm hug.
You both look absolutely wonderful. Now, let's not forget the most important part, our prayers.
The whole family walked together to the mosque. The streets were filled with people wearing colorful clothes, all heading the same way.
Look, everyone is so happy.
That's because Eid is about being grateful and celebrating together.
At the mosque, everyone stood shoulder to shoulder, praying together. It felt so peaceful and special.
After prayers, everyone hugged and said, Eid Mubarak, which means Blessed Eid.
Back at home, the excitement continued. Grandma, what's in those beautiful envelopes?
Those are Eidi, special gifts for you. It's a tradition to give money or presents to children on Eid.
Wow, thank you, Grandma. Can we give something too?
Of course. Giving is just as special as receiving. Let's prepare some gifts for your cousins.
The dining table was covered with the most delicious treats. Sweet dates, savory biryani, golden samosas, and Grandma's famous cookies.
Everything smells amazing. And tastes even better. Try this sweet vermicelli. It's my favorite Eid dessert.
On Eid, we always share our food with neighbors and friends. It makes the celebration even more joyful.
Can I take some cookies to Mrs. Fatima next door?
What a kind heart you have, Omar. Yes, let's make a special plate for her.
All day long, Layla and Omar visited aunts, uncles, cousins, and friends. Every house they went to, there were warm hugs, big smiles, and more delicious treats. This is so much fun. I love seeing everyone.
Me too. And look how happy everyone is.
The best part of Eid isn't the clothes or the food or even the gifts. The best part is being together with the people we love.
As the sun began to set, Layla and Omar sat with Grandma. Grandma, why do we celebrate Eid?
Eid is a special gift from Allah. It's a day to be thankful, to spread joy, to forgive, and to remember that love and kindness make the world beautiful. It teaches us to care for others, to share what we have, and to be grateful for our blessings.
I love Eid so much. Me too. Can every day be Eid?
Well, my darlings, if we carry the spirit of Eid in our hearts, the kindness, the sharing, the love, then every day can feel like Eid. And so, Layla and Omar fell asleep with hearts full of joy, already dreaming of next year's Eid.
Eid Mubarak, everyone!